Uh-oh. The attack of the Ian. Ian, what are you doing? Look at him standing. Look at him. No, he's going after my computer. Ian, come here. Oh. Here, watch. He will follow this computer. See? Computer. Ian. And watch. He'll follow it right back to the couch. See? It's right on the couch. There's Ian. He's obsessed. Hey! No. Look at him standing like a big boy. Look at you standing like a big boy. Ian! 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 Hi, Booger! Oh no! Come here! Can you stand up? Here, play with the CD. Play with the CD, Ian. No? See, look at him, watch. Oh, he didn't stand. Come on, Ian, stand up. Can you shake your head? Ian. Go, no. No. Uh-oh. Check the baby. There he goes, right back to the computer. He's gonna pull that thing. Oh, Ian. Alright. I'm gonna get the monster child. Hey. No. Bill. What are you doing? Ian! Ian! Go, no! Now he's going after my magazine. Ian, no! Can you shake your head like mama? I think he kind of did it. Ian! No! No! Oh, going after my rubber band now. Hey! No! See? He picks stuff up like this, off the ground, that I don't even know is there. And he'll stick it in his mouth. Ian! Ian! Oh! You're standing! Whoop. Ian! Say bye-bye!